Hello friends, welcome to Pritha's Cooking House. Today I will be sharing with you egg chicken fried rice recipe. We Indians usually cook two types of fried rice. One is typical Indian fried rice with garam masalas and ghee, and another one is Chinese fried rice. Rather, it could be said that Indo-Chinese fried rice. And in Indo-Chinese fried rice, we usually don't put any garam masalas or any ghee. And this Indo-Chinese fried rice could be veg or non-veg, but in Indian fried rice we usually don't put chicken or egg. Usually we eat veg fried rice in Indian style. Today I will prepare this egg chicken fried rice in Indo-Chinese style. Before that, I would like to remind you to like, comment and share the video with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see what are the ingredients we will be requiring for making Indo-Chinese egg chicken fried rice. I have taken here 250 grams of basmati rice, 2 eggs, shredded chicken, chopped carrot as per requirement, chopped beans, chopped capsicum, salt as per taste, black pepper powder as per taste, 2 tablespoons refined oil, some ajinomoto or Chinese salt. You can definitely skip it. First we need to boil the chicken. So for boiling the chicken, I have taken a bowl, and in the bowl I have taken some water, and I am adding some salt as per taste in the water and some garlic, and we'll add some black pepper powder or crushed black pepper. Then we'll be adding some ginger paste in the water. Need to stir it. Then we will be adding the chicken pieces into this water. Then we'll cover the bowl and need to boil the chicken for minimum 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I am checking whether the chicken has been boiled or not. The chicken has been boiled well. Now we will again boil this chicken for another 5 minutes, and finally we will put off the gas and we'll strain all the water. I have made this shredded chicken from the boiled piece of chickens. You can store this boiled chicken or shredded chicken at refrigerator and can use while making sandwich or noodles or any kind of dish. Now for making the fried rice, I have taken here some chopped carrot, chopped capsicum and chopped beans, and I have taken 2 eggs. I have beaten these eggs with some salt. Also I have some cooked rice here. I have used basmati rice, and while making the rice I used the chicken stock along with some fresh water. Now I have taken a frying pan and added 2 tablespoons refined oil on it, and when the oil is well heated, I will add the chopped vegetables, that means the chopped carrot, chopped beans and the chopped capsicum into oil. We need to add some salt as per taste and stir it very well. Then we need to saute these vegetables for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, we will keep the vegetables aside, and on the middle of the pan we will be adding the eggs. In fried rice or noodles, we usually use scrambled egg. So to make the egg scrambled, we need to stir the egg continuously. After 2 to 3 minutes, my scrambled egg is ready. Now we will be adding the cooked rice into this. We need to mix the cooked rice with all the vegetables and the eggs. Then we will be adding salt as per taste, as I have already used salt in eggs and in the vegetables. So here I will be adding a little bit of salt. Then we will be adding some Ajinomoto or Chinese salt. This is not so good for health, so if you want you can definitely skip this. But you can't have the actual Chinese flavor without these ingredients. This is a mandatory ingredient for any kind of Chinese recipes, being it a chili chicken or chili paneer or noodles or anything. Then we will be adding some black pepper powder as per taste. Also, at this time you can use soya sauce, but I don't like soya sauce in fried rice. I only like soya sauce in noodles, so I am not adding, but if you want you can definitely add soya sauce at this point of time. We need to mix all the ingredients very well. Our Indo-Chinese egg fried rice is now ready. If there is anyone at your home who don't prefers to eat chicken, then you can definitely give him or her this egg fried rice before adding the chickens into it. As my mother don't wants to eat chicken, so I have taken out some egg fried rice for her, and now I will be adding chickens into the fried rice, and then our Indo-Chinese egg chicken fried rice will be ready. After adding the chicken, we need to mix the chickens with the fried rice, and we need to cook again for 2 to 3 minutes. Our Indo-Chinese egg chicken fried rice is now ready. If you want, you can definitely add some spring onions, but I don't have stock right now, so I am unable to add spring onions. I hope you all liked the recipe of Indo-Chinese egg chicken fried rice. Please subscribe my channel if not done yet and press the bell icon. And if you like the recipe, then please like the video and comment on the video and share the video with your family and friends. And if you have any special request regarding any special recipes, then let me know by commenting on the comment box below. I will definitely try to bring the requested video in front of you as soon as possible. We'll be back very soon with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye. Take care.